There's an update for Orphan Monkey, which I think is probably the best, one of the best, one of the best updates ever. They added a camera, stock cameras back for admins, and they added wait, which hand is it again? So they added this thing. Let me get back for a second. This thing, Coca-Cola, this thing. Yeah. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. I like it. You can hold it too and see both of them and then go like that. And then you can grab it. Yeah. What's your right trigger? Or it can be any trigger really. You can get this. It's not just for moderators. You can get it, but you need a YouTube channel with a video about Orphan Monkey and about 5 subscribers. And then you could probably get this camera thing, which is cool. I'm not gonna lie. Make sure to go download this game and check it out. Make sure to go join the Discord. And yeah. Make sure to subscribe. Subscribe for a cookie. Yeah, subscribe for a cookie. If you want a cookie, subscribe. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe. Monkey Discord. And yeah.